gonna record. Oh, there we go.
Nope, I think that is it. Check that out. It stopped.
It did. That's why I was
That
just
means
like,
it burned up.
oh.
Or it's in the clouds. Hang on, let's see what pops out the other side. It's normally on fire more.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Where you going?
Come on.
It's still going.
I think it disappeared. I think it's all burned up now.
Let's see what pops out the other side. That'd be about right.
Come on. You can still see the tail of it though, in the clouds. So it's just like, what happened?
Maybe it's popping out the other side.
Oh, the clouds are just super thick.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is on the other side.
Still going though.
Wow. That's it, it's popped out the other side.
Oh yeah. Holy smokes. Yep.
There it is.
It's getting stronger. You can see it better. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at it go. At this point, the rocket body's actually going to hit.
Oh yeah.
It's a little in here.
So when it actually lands, how big of a crater they expect for it to?
Well, they hit water, so I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, typically nothing survives re-entry, so it burns up before it gets to the ground. Look how high it is.
It's almost through the clouds.
Same it is at night. Look how bright it is.
Oh yeah. That would have been much nicer.
Is that it? No, it must have gone back down in the clouds.
Yeah. Like, I can see the flagpole is just in the way. Like, it's on the other side. You can see it.
You can pop out of that cloud detector over there.